Welcome to Auto Drive, your ultimate destination for the latest automotive reviews, detailed breakdowns, and expert insights. If you're passionate about cars or just curious about what's new in the auto world, hit that subscribe button now and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. In today's video, we're diving into an in-depth review of the all-new 2026 Ford Pinto. We'll cover everything from the engine and performance specs to interior features, safety tech, and some of the most exciting upgrades Ford has introduced in this latest iteration of the Pinto. Make sure you watch till the end to catch our final verdict and see if this car is the right fit for you. Starting off with the heart of the vehicle, the 2026 Ford Pinto offers a surprising variety of engine configurations depending on the trim level. The base model comes with a fuel-efficient inline-4 engine, ideal for city driving and budget-conscious users. For those who demand more performance, there's an available V6 option with a larger displacement that delivers enhanced horsepower and torque. While exact figures vary slightly between trims, the top-end model offers up to 280 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque, giving it more than enough punch for both highway cruising and spirited driving. Ford has also worked to make the engine smoother and more responsive with improved throttle calibration and refined power delivery. Paired with this powertrain is your choice of transmission. The base models come equipped with a 6-speed manual gearbox, which should please purists looking for a more connected driving experience. Meanwhile, higher trims include an 8-speed automatic transmission with paddle shifters, offering quick gear changes and a more relaxed feel for daily driving. Shifts are smooth and well-timed, ensuring the car remains both fun and practical. In terms of drivetrain options, the 2026 Ford Pinto caters to a broad audience. The standard version comes with front-wheel drive, which is ideal for most drivers and provides good fuel economy. However, for those living in areas with tougher weather conditions or who want more grip, an optional all-wheel drive system is available. This adds extra confidence on wet or slippery roads and enhances overall handling stability. Let's move on to the interior. Ford has clearly taken user comfort and aesthetics seriously with the new Pinto. It comfortably seats up to 5 passengers, with well-contoured seats that offer great support for both short and long drives. Depending on your chosen trim, you can opt for durable cloth upholstery or premium leather, with color options to suit various tastes. Higher-end variants include features like heated and cooled front seats, a power-adjustable driver's seat with memory function, and even ambient lighting to set the mood. Ford hasn't skimped on the tech inside the Pinto either. The infotainment system is centered around a touchscreen display, with standard options including Bluetooth connectivity, USB ports, and Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. Higher trims add GPS navigation, voice commands, and an upgraded audio system for a more immersive experience. Some models also offer wireless charging and Wi-Fi hotspot capability, keeping you connected on the go. Looking at the exterior, the 2026 Pinto carries a compact yet sporty design. It's offered primarily as a 5-door hatchback, with sleek body lines, a bold front grille, and LED headlights that give it a modern and aggressive stance. The overall length, width, and height make it maneuverable in urban settings, while the extended wheelbase provides more stability at higher speeds. Chrome accents on higher trims and optional alloy wheels ranging from 16 to 18 inches further enhance its appearance. When it comes to suspension and handling, Ford has struck a nice balance between comfort and control. The front uses a McPherson strut suspension, while the rear is equipped with a multi-link setup, allowing for improved road feedback and reduced body roll during cornering. Shock absorbers have been fine-tuned to handle various road conditions, making the Pinto feel planted and smooth. The steering system is electronic rack and pinion, delivering precise input and a direct connection to the road. Braking performance is solid across the board. The Pinto features 4-wheel disc brakes with ventilated front rotors for better heat dissipation. Brake size varies slightly based on trim and wheel size, but even the base setup offers reassuring stopping power. Anti-lock brakes are standard, and the pedal feel is consistent and confidence-inspiring. Safety is another area where the 2026 Pinto has made impressive strides. The vehicle is equipped with front, side, and curtain airbags for all occupants. Standard safety features include anti-lock braking system, electronic stability control, and traction control. Advanced driver assistance technologies such as lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking are available or included in higher trims. These systems work together to reduce driver workload and enhance safety for all passengers. Ford has also included several convenience and luxury features across the range. Power windows and locks, keyless entry, push-button start, and cruise control come standard. Some trims offer a panoramic sunroof, dual-zone climate control, and even a hands-free liftgate for easier cargo access. If you choose the top-tier trim or a special edition package, you'll also enjoy premium leather upholstery, wood grain or metallic interior accents, and a digital instrument cluster. What's especially interesting about the 2026 Pinto is that Ford has brought back some retro-inspired design elements as a nod to its iconic history, while updating them with a modern twist. The front grille, for example, features a horizontal slat design that harkens back to earlier models, but with a sleek finish and LED integration. Special edition trims also include unique badging, color-exclusive paint jobs, and even sport suspension tuning for enthusiasts. Throughout its 2026 production run, Ford has introduced a few rolling updates, particularly in software for the infotainment and safety systems. OTA over-the-air updates are now supported, allowing owners to receive the latest improvements without needing a dealership visit. These ongoing enhancements help keep the Pinto competitive in a crowded compact car market. To sum it all up, the 2026 Ford Pinto is a well-rounded package that delivers solid performance, impressive features, and modern styling, all while paying tribute to a classic nameplate. Whether you're looking for an affordable daily driver, a sporty commuter, or a tech-savvy compact, there's likely a Pinto trim that fits your needs. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video, drop a comment with your thoughts or questions, and of course, subscribe to Auto Drive for more in-depth reviews, comparisons, and news on the latest cars hitting the market. Your support helps us bring you even more detailed content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.